Reasons your VLOOKUPs are returning an NA error. Number 3. Correcting NA errors when values not found by a VLOOKUP. In this example, we're building a report to show the total purchases for each member of our online electronics store. Month by month beginning March. On row 7 there's an NA error because one of the customers hasn't made any purchases in the month of March. On the March Orders tab, there's a list of several orders for each customer who's made purchases and a grand total for the customer. The customer total is looked up from column B on the Summary tab. The NA error causes problems for the sum formula in cell C8 since it doesn't ignore the error. The solution is to use a nested if-error function with the VLOOKUP. The if-error function has two parts: the formula you want to test, and secondly, the value to be displayed if there's an error. In this case, we want to have a 0. Copying the formula down in column C, we can see that the error has now been fixed.